In this module, we want to begin rebuilding our Web Forms application. To do this, we need to cover a few topics related to the overall architecture of ASP.NET, Web Forms, and MVC. We need to understand how HTTP requests are processed by the two frameworks, since this is really the heart of any web application. Let's quickly step through our agenda for this module so that we can get started. First, I'll explain and demonstrate how MVC and Web Forms are built on the larger ASP.NET platform and really what this means from an architectural perspective. We'll then review how requests are handled in each framework, starting with Web Forms and its really unique page lifecycle. I'll be sure to demonstrate these concepts using the Web Forms version of our sample application. We'll also use this opportunity to walk through the general structure of that project in the code so you'll understand exactly what we're going to be rebuilding. Next, we'll move on to an overview of the MVC processing pipeline, and we'll see just how it differs from Web Forms. Now, a crucial concept for understanding request management in MVC is routing, so I've included a lesson and a demo just for that topic. Finally, we'll begin to build out the structure of our new MVC application using controllers and action methods. So let's get started on all of this in the next lesson.